And good morning, math masters, fourth grade students of Virtual Room 502. Today we're going to be working out of our problem set. Looks like it's page number, I wish I could read that better, 121. So what we're looking at right now is page 121. Today's date is 02/23. 2021. And if we look up here, we see it's lesson 3 problem set, grade 4, module 5. That's what that means. Okay, let's go ahead and read this to start. Decompose, break apart each fraction modeled by a tape diagram as a sum of unit fractions. Write the multiplication sentence below. Okay. So when we look at number A here, this means one whole, right? So let's see how many parts we have. Whoops, this is what's wrong. There we go. Put a little light on the subject. We have 1, 2, 3 out of 4 parts out of the whole. So it's 3/4. And what we did here was 3/4 equals 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, just like we were working on yesterday. Or 3/4 equals 3 times 1/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay? Remember, multiplication is just repeat addition. I wish he would stop repeating that. All right, so we have a whole 1 right here, but how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that's going to be my denominator. So I'm going to put a 5 here. What's my numerator? Well, 1, 2. It looks like I have 2/5. Okay? What does 2/5 equal? In this case, we're going to go 1/5 plus 1/5, right? Okay, but now we have to do a multiplication sentence. So we're going to do 2/5 equals a number times 1/5. Well, when we go up here, we saw we had 1, 2, 3, 1/4. So we did 3 times 1/4. Well, look at here, I have 2 1/5. So it would be 2 times 1/5. Okay, I'm going to get you started on this one. Then I want you to try it on your own. So what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to equal a 1/6, right? Because that's 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. Now I'd like you to do the multiplication sentence on your own. 5, 6 equals what? Think about what we just covered and give it your best shot. And welcome back. I hope you tried, because even if you didn't get it right, it's okay. You'll learn that way. So this would equal, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6. So 5 times 1, 6. And there we have it. Right? Repeat addition, multiplication. They go hand in hand as they skip down the street. Let's go on D here. Looks like we got some more parts in the whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is my denominator. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would like you to do the addition sentence, the repeat addition sentence, and the multiplication sentence, okay? So give it your best shot. I'm going to pretend like you paused the camera right here. And then I'll say, welcome back. What do we got going on here? Well, I know this must be 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. 1, 2, 3, 6 times. So I'm going to go 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I need 6 plus 1/8. Okay. Then my multiplication sentence. 6/8 equals what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 1/8. And we are done with that one. Let's continue on to our next one. This one's kind of a little more difficult. We kind of dabbled in this yesterday in our rushed math lesson, because I teach a combo class and I don't have enough time with one class each, but I'm trying my best. So let's just look at the 1. See, the 1 is this part right here. This is greater than 1. That means the numerator, the number on top of the fraction, will be larger than the denominator. But first we have to figure out what these parts are. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I know I'm going to be dealing in thirds. But how many thirds do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3 to make one whole, but I have another one. So it's 4 thirds. Now, if you feel comfortable doing the repeat addition and multiplication on your own, go for it. I'm going to kind of go step by step with those who need a little more practice. So 4 thirds, I'm going to say 1 third plus 1 third plus 1 third. It's repeat addition plus 1 third. Take a look. 1 third, 2 thirds, 3 thirds, 4 thirds. So I have 4 thirds, and I'm going to do a multiplication sentence because multiplication is just repeat addition. So 4 thirds equals 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1 third. Voila, we're done with this page, and that means it's time to take a little break. By a little break, I mean 2-3 minutes. Don't go watching TV or going on YouTube or talking on the phone to your friends. It's just a 2-minute, 3-minute break. Go wash your hands, use the restroom, get a drink of water or a juice. Tell mom and dad you love them. Feed the dog, pet the cat. Check on the horses, llamas, ducks, whatever you got out there on the farm. Check on baby brother or baby sister. Make sure they're listening to their teacher. Then come on back for part 2 of the problem set.